Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and now go to connected devices. After that click pair new device and connect your speaker to the power, as I did with this cable what you receive in the package. And after that you should press and hold on this button until you will see a Bluetooth icon. Here we go, and now we enter to prank mode and we should see it at the device list. So I have it here. I don't know why it have this name, but yeah, this is actually speaker. I guess you will have another one. And then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!